How to find watch later list on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your watch later list on YouTube app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, you simply have to scroll down. And now here, just under the playlist section, if you scroll down there, you will see the watch later format or the file. Now here you can just select it. And now here in this section, you will see the list of all the videos that you have set in the watch later list. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.